Hi everybody. I'm going to do a couple of blooms on here. I just scraped a swipe that I didn't like. So now I'm going to do a couple of blooms. Some golds and Halloween-y kind of colors. All right. This is my Beautitone Eggshell House Paint. I don't use black very often, so I had to wait for this paint to lose all its bubbles before I could use it. So just debating if I should do 2 or 3 or just one big one. I think I'm gonna just do one big one. This is Peridot Deco Art Green. I'm gonna a long one. I'm going to put some copper. And some orange. Maybe the orange can go on top. Now some purple. That was Artist Loft Copper. And this purple is, I don't know. I think it's, oh actually I think it's a PBO Oriental Violet. And I have another, and I have Deep Purple by Liquitex Basics. Just put a little bit of this. I'm going to put some gold, and I'm going to, this is Rust-Oleum Gold, and I'm going to use White Cell Activator. Okay. Oh, I forgot the orange. Well, we have to have orange if it's going to be a Halloween colors. Okay. Okay. This is my White Cell Activator, and I'm going to use my big blower today. see what we get. Oh, my gloves are so bad. Okay, uncool. Whoa. Oh, that's nice. That's not, oh, it's nice colors, but I didn't get any cells there because I blew over top of it. Shoot. Oh well. This is beautiful. I don't think I can. No. I'm not going to play with it. I'm just going to leave it. It is what it is. I'll let the middle. I did put a lot of paint on there. I did. Now, did I say I was going to, I don't think there's much point. I think most of it will come off, but I'll do it anyway. I don't know why that's stuck in there. I guess because I just blown. Maybe I'll just spin it and see what happens. Go the other way. Well, what do you think? I'm not sure if I beautiful. This is beautiful. I'm going to spin it again. Looks like a cell explosion happened. It's moving a little bit, but I think it's fine. I think I'll leave it now. I'll just do the ends there. Okay, I'm leaving this one because I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. Really gorgeous. All right, thanks for coming by for this one. I'm sorry, it's a little bit off there. There. Hold it up so you can see it better. All right. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everybody. Come back to Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for subscribing if you have. Hit the bell and you'll be notified when I do a new video. And all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up. Ask me a question, I'll answer it. To the best of my ability. Anyways, have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried canvas. Dried pretty good. I just noticed there's in the middle, right in the middle, maybe where the paint was thicker, I'm not sure why, but there's a tiny little, just the tiniest little cracks there. I did pour over another canvas, so it could have been really thick under there. Caused it. Anyways, still looks great. From a distance, you can't even tell. There you go. Have a great day, everybody, and come back to Carol's Art Room. Bye-bye. It's a nice shine, too.